Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to grade 6 maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, and the topic is algebraic expressions. So today we are going to introduce what is meant by algebraic expression and deeply discuss about variables and constants. First, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, and etc. Expressions are made up of terms. They are also termed as algebraic equations. So, an algebraic expression can have variables constant with algebraic operations, that is, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, we call these expressions as algebraic equations also. Next, now we are going to discuss what are the parts of an algebraic expression. The parts of an algebraic expression are terms, coefficient, variable, operation, and constant. So there are 5 parts of an algebraic expression. Look at the example 7n plus 2. In this example, what is the mathematical operation they used? Yes, addition is the mathematical operation they used in this example. And then how many terms are there in this example? So they have added 2 terms. So in this example, there are 2 terms by the mathematical operation addition. Look at the first term. The first term is 7n. So the numerical number 7 is called the coefficient and the alphabet n is called the variable. Look at the second term. The second term is an numerical digit. The number is 2. So 2 is without an alphabet. So it is called an constant. So if you have a number with alphabet, then we call the number as coefficient and the alphabet as variable. If you are having a single numerical digit, then it is called an constant. So these terms, coefficient, variable, operation, and constant are the parts of an algebraic expression. Look at the second example, 5x minus 3. So in this example, they have used the mathematical operation subtraction. So 5x subtracted minus 3. So in this example also, there are 2 terms and the mathematical operation is subtraction. So in the first term, 5x, 5 is the coefficient and x is the variable used. And in the second term, only a single digit is given. So the number 3 is the constant. So an algebraical expression can contain coefficient, variable, constant with mathematical operation. So today your classwork part will be on your concept book. Do practice on 1 and 2 in page number 76 and 77. Also, your homework part will be on your workbook. Do question number 1, 2 and 3 in page number 58. Once you have completed your homework, hand in Google Classroom app, grade 6, maths. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.